Hi, all you beautiful people. Welcome back to my channel. Okay, let's start. So first we're gonna start
with our foundation.
Yes. So what we're gonna do to keep our hair back is we're gonna use these.
So I'm just gonna be patting it on.
I'm gonna get a little bit more to 5. And here we're using the L'Oreal Untitled. And I'm gonna blend, blend, blend. And I'm just gonna use a brush to blend it in a little more. And before I move on to the powder, I'm just gonna use this lid primer for my lid for when I do my eyeshadow. It primes your lid. You're just gonna put it on your lid like this. It just blend it in.
So next we're gonna be working on the powder.
Will's face power. And especially make sure you get it under your eyes. You really want to make sure you focus on your under. Now it's time for our blush. This is just to give my cheeks a little bit of a glow. And now I'm going to use this because this actually makes it look rosy. Now we're gonna do the Wet n Wild highlighter. We're gonna put it right here, right up here, right here, and then the other side right there.
And I'm gonna make my face a little bit downwards and make it a little bit more lighter. So it can kind of get that sun, scabby little look.
So I'm just gonna blend all this in over here so that I can make sure it's all blended in. We're gonna be doing the eyebrows first.
I'm just gonna make this part a little bit more bigger.
And I'm not gonna do my natural eyebrows on the tip like this to make sure it's a little bit outstanding. Let's move on to the eyeshadow. I'm gonna use some of my blush for the eyeshadow. And now I'm gonna use some blue, like this greenish blue. And if you mix blue and the pink that I'm doing, it makes this beautiful purple. And I'm just gonna do mascara.
And I'm just gonna add a little bit of this. Okay, so now we are going to start on the lip.